Okay, so good morning. Good morning and welcome to Sante Barley Business. So today I'm going to share to you the Sante business opportunity that works here in the Philippines for the past 13 years. Okay, so before we start, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Paul Brian Padri, one of the Diamond Executive Directors in Sante, and I'm doing this business for the past 5 years. Okay. So my background before as I was a call center agent. And I discovered this business because of not just the product but the business opportunity itself. It helps you give more than what salary can give you. Okay, so just finish this presentation, and you may have questions later. But along the way, it may this presentation can answer your questions. Okay, so Sante is a French word that means health. So Sante is a French word which means health. Okay? Our vision is to be a global provider of premier wellness and products and services. So our mission is to help people live better lives. So that's a simple mission, but a very powerful one. Okay, so our values is sincerity in helping others, pursuit of excellence, courage to try new things, humility and truthfulness in our actions, positivity in any situation, and celebration for every win. Okay? So these values helps guide us to do the business by heart. Okay? So let's continue. These are the board of directors. Okay, so this is Sir Joey Marcelo, our Chief Executive Officer, Sir Paul Kaluwag, Chief Network Development Officer, Eric Maranan, Chief Finance Officer, and Ma'am Minerva Carag, Chief Product Officer. For these people, they are the uh, leaders with more than 50 years of combined direct selling and marketing experience. So they have been in this kind of business years ago. Okay, so they have a lot of experiences that can help and uh, guide Sante. That's why we are now in 13 years in the business. So we founded in last 2007 here in the Philippines, top producer and distributor of barley products, and soon worldwide, with hundreds of thousands of registered business owners worldwide, with 45 local branches and 8 global branches. Uh, I'm excited in Nigeria because we already have two branches, one in Lagos and in Abuja. Okay, so these are the farms in New Zealand. We acquired our own plantation, our own uh, uh, farm. So it's already in Sante, part of Sante barley business. Our managing director is Mr. Peter Hope. For the past 13 years, these are the properties that again Sante acquired. So we have the Sante Yacht. We also have a unit in Pico de Loro Beach, one of the very uh, luxury beach here in the Philippines, in Batangas. And we also have a property in Tagaytay Real, so very relaxing place also. I hope one day you can visit here in the Philippines and you can see these amenities. Okay, a little background in for our products. Okay, Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, he discovered that the barley is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. From birth to old age. See? Uh, he studied barley grass for the past 13 years, all over the 200 different plants. So he found out that the barley grass was the most excellent source among the 200 plants all over the world. It has minerals, vitamins, amino acids, enzymes. So these are the nutrients found in barley leaves. Okay. Vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids. Okay. Again, this research was conducted in 2013. We don't know this year, 2020, but for the 2013, as you can see here, barley has the most research than the other organic plants or food supplements. So barley has already 7,607 research in 2013 alone. We don't know this 2020. Maybe it doubled, it tripled, we don't know. But this is a research. This is by Food and Drug Administration. Okay. ORAC value, okay, oxygen radical absorbance capacity. So this part, this ORAC is the basis of the expert how powerful a food supplement is, how powerful a product is, how powerful a plant is. Okay. So barley has 25,000, prunes 5,770, kale 1,770, grapes is only 739 ORAC value. Even you add those last three, prunes, kale, grapes, it will not surpass the ORAC value of barley grass. Okay? No other foods can give that antioxidant protection. See? Okay, we are in our certification, BioGrow and Halal certificate. So certification from BioGrow, this is a leading certification in New Zealand. Again, why I always say New Zealand? Why we get barley from New Zealand? Okay, because New Zealand is the most uh, safe country, cleanest country all over the world. New Zealand. As for the as you can see in in their survey, animals has the higher number than the people who live in New Zealand. That's how New Zealand is so very safe and clean. Okay, so this certification from BioGrow, so we have they have given us this certification. Right? It means that from the very first uh, part of the plantation, from the soil, from the plantation, from the harvesting, is all a natural organic, no harmful or chemicals, no harmful chemicals included. Okay, so that's why we are very that's why we have a very safe and good products. Okay, halal certification. So this is a certification for our brothers and sisters in Muslim community. So once they see this certification, they can take it safely. Okay. So again, these are the plantation managed by Mr. Peter Hope. Okay, these are our products. The first is the pure barley juice, New Zealand. So inside the box, it has a 30 sachet of pure barley juice. 12,600 naira if you are a member, and you can sell it up to 18,900 naira. Next is the barley pure New Zealand. It is a capsule form, 6,300 naira. You can sell it up to 9,450 naira. Next is the fusion coffee, 2,520 naira, and you can sell it to 3,780 naira. Okay. Last is the choco barley, very good for the kids. 2,520 naira, and SRP price is 3,780 naira. So all of these products are barley based. Okay? It has a barley content that's so very nutritious. Okay, so we have a specific day of explaining each of the products. So super detailed explanation. So you can see join us in our every Wednesday Zoom meeting. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, good products bring good business. I believe this because we didn't come up to 13 years if our product is not good one. But we earn it in 13 years. So good product bring good business. Okay. How to be part or how to do the business in Santee Valley? How to start your business here in Santee Valley? Okay. First, you just purchase our starter pack. Okay. It is 55,500 naira and you will get 2 boxes of barley juice and 2 boxes of barley capsules. Okay. What's the advantage once you are already a member or Santee business owner? You will have a product discount up to 50% discount, 30 to 50% discount. Business opportunity that can give you unlimited income. Number four, home-based business. You can work anytime in the comfort of your home. So you can do this even you have stable job. So if you have another business, you can do this at the comfort of your home. Just what I'm doing right now. I'm just in the Philippines, inside my house, and I am presenting this business online. Okay. Next is uh, replicated website, online business system. Okay. So this website, you can monitor in this website all of the transactions of your future business partners, all new members. You can monitor in this website. Okay. Next is a global business. It's global business because we already have 8 branches all over the world. Ways to earn. So this is how you're going to earn in Santee Barley. First, you can do the retail income. How how much you earn every time you sell a product. Okay, so let's talk about the barley juice. At a 30% discount, you will earn 6,300 naira every box you sell from the other people to the other people. Okay, so that's the 30% discount. And I said earlier we have a 50% discount. Okay, so example, you sell 10 bucks, you earn 63,000. You sell 50 bucks, you sell 315,000. Okay, that's the 30% only. How you can avail the 50% discount. So we have a promo of buy three and get one free product of pure barley. Okay. So if you buy three, you will get one additional free. So if you divide that four, it will give you a price of 9,450 naira only. Okay. But you can sell it again up to 18,900 naira. How much did you earn each box? 9,450 also. Okay, so that's the 50% discount. You can, if you sell 10 bucks in one day, you can have 94,500. But if you can sell 50 boxes in 1 month, you will earn 472,500. So this is just a computation. You can sell more than that. Okay? I believe in you. Okay. Ways to earn. Another ways to earn is the fast start bonus. You earn 10 to 150 US dollars for every sale of Santee Activation Pack you personally sponsored business owner. Okay. So this is how it works. Example, you're already a member of Santee Bar and one of your friend also join you. He buy a starter pack, he will earn $10. He buy builder pack, you earn $30. He purchase a franchise pack, ultimate pack, you will earn $150. Again, this is a daily income. Okay. Later on, I will discuss the other package. Example on how to earn in fast start bonus. Let's say in one day you have sponsored 5 people who buy builder pack. So that's 30 times 5, 150 US dollars. You sponsor 5 ultimate package, that's 150 times 5, $750, or total of 347 naira. Okay, another ways to earn is the infinity bonus. What's the difference of this infinity bonus to fast start bonus? In fast start bonus, you earn, you invite, you earn. In infinity bonus, even you are not inviting people, you still earning. So okay, so let's continue. Earn $15 to $45 for every link point from business owner activation pack sold on your left side and right side of your business account. Okay, so one starter pack is one infinity point. Okay, this is your account when you're a member of something. No? So all you have to do is put all of your new members from left side to right side. Okay, so just like this, let's say one of your friend join you, and one of friend also joins you. So you put it on the left side and right side. You will earn how much? $15. Again, what if these two people you just invited also invite two people? Okay, so you will earn two links because you have two-person in the left, two-person on the right. So you will get two links. You will earn $15 each link. Okay. So again, what if these three people invited some of their friends and you don't know them already and you still get paid. You get still earning for every link you will have in under your organization. Okay. So if you have three links, you will have 45 US dollars. If you earn 15 links, you will earn $225. Again, this is a group effort. Even you are not the one who invited them, as long as it matches from left side to right side, you will earn $15 per link. So that's the goodness of this infinity bonus. For example, in one day you earn 5 links. So 15 times 5, you will have 75 US dollars. 75 in 30 days, you will earn 2,250 US dollars. How much is that in Naira? So you can compute it 2,250 Naira. Okay. Again, this is a daily income basis. Once you earn, you can have it yet tomorrow. Okay? You earn today, you can have it tomorrow. Okay. So next, let's talk about business strategy. Okay. So this business strategy helps us here in Sante that uh, to earn faster than anyone who just buy starter pack. Okay. And this strategy also is proven and being used by business tycoons all over the world. Okay? It's just like franchising system. We have the one account versus three account, which will give you a bigger income, one account or three account. So let's have a simulation. Let's say you buy one account or one account starter pack, 55,500 naira. And we compare it if you buy three accounts, or it's 166,500 naira. Okay. Let's talk about the effort. Okay. Example, you just invited four people who join in the business. So how many links do you have? You have two links, so you will earn $15 each link. Okay, let's go to the three accounts. Same effort, same number of people, four people. So we place that first two in your account number two, and the last two in account number three. So account number two, of course, it has a link of $15. Also, your account number three. What about number one? As you can see, account number one has an imaginary line. Okay? This line divides the four people just joined. So two in the left, two in the right. So you also earn two links. So compare is not. Let's compare. In your account, for one account, you earn $30, but in your three accounts, you earn $60. So it doubled. It's just four people. What if these four people keep doing the business every month, every day? Okay. So in your in one account you have no choice but to earn one time. But in three accounts, your three accounts will keep earning, but you have done same effort only. Okay, so that's the power of this business strategy. Okay, but I have a good news for you. If you want and serious about this business, I have a good news for you. Okay, here's the good news. If you join Sante Barley and you will get the three package, the Sante Barley will add you four business accounts. So you will now have a seven total business accounts. And how much is that, Paul? How much is that seven accounts? Okay. As you can remember, the three accounts late earlier is 166,500 naira. But this is the good news. If you buy the three, you will get additional four accounts, and it is only 170,500 naira. That's the business of something. You will it will They will give more than you purchase to them. Okay. So again, not just account, you will get also a product of 7 packs of juice, 7 packs of capsule, two barley choco, and three fusion coffee. So if you're going to sell all of this in SRP price, it will give you a return of 227,000 naira. So again, the product value is just more than what you purchase. Okay, so this is the good news. Okay, but I suggest not you don't sell your products all. You don't sell all of your products. Half of them you sell it. Half of them use it. Okay, you can have two different people prospect. You will have two prospect if you buy if you sell the one and you use it, because some people believe in your testimony and some people believe once they tasted the product they proven it to themselves. Okay, example, two people joined you in this business. They also buy the builder package. If we place it under your account number 4, so you will earn $45. It's not now. It's not no more $15. It's already $45 because builder pack has a three infinity points. Okay, so three infinity points times 15 times three, that is $45. Again, two of your friends also join you, so we place it under your account number 5. You will earn additional $45. Again, account number 2, he has a imaginary line. As you can remember earlier, he will also earn 245 US dollars. Account number 6, we will earn $45. Account number 7, again, if you have two friends who want to join you and buy this builder package, you will earn additional $45. And also account number 3 will earn 245 US dollars. What about account number 1? Okay, imagine the imaginary line. Account number 1 will earn 45 US dollars because he has a 4 infinity link, 4 people on the left and 4 people on the right side. Okay, how much did you earn from these 8 of your friends? Remember the Pasu Start bonus. Each people who joined you, that you are the sponsor, you will earn $30 as a Pasu Start bonus times 8. You have 240 dollars, and the $45 times 12, you earn total of $780 or 296,000 naira from the 8 people you invited alone. Okay. What if these 8 people you just invited also invite their friends who buy one builder package each? So again, you will earn 45 times 12. And they invited again, you will earn additional $45,000 times 12. Okay. So that's the power of this business. As the only condition here is just one people on the left side and the right side, you will earn $45. Even you are not the one who invited them. As long as it places under your organization, you will earn $45, unlimited $45. No flash out. Okay. So what's the good news aside from this business strategy? Here's the good news. Aside from your 45 US dollars, you will earn one travel point and one car incentive point. It's just like hitting three birds in one stone. You earn $45, you earn 1 point for travel incentive, you earn 1 point for car incentive. Just hit the 75 points and you will get your car incentive and together with the travel incentive, because car incentive is 75 points, travel is only 60 points. So just target the higher and two incentives you will get. Okay? This is what happened to me last year. I get my car, Mazda 2, top of the line, and the travel together with my wife and sister in South Korea, 5 days and 4 nights, all expenses paid by the company. So we have a total of 119 qualifiers last year, 2019. They are all qualified in Sante travel incentive. Okay. In Nigeria, we have already travel incentive qualifier. Okay? So you can meet them soon. Okay. So aside from car incentive, travel incentive, you will earn points. You will earn 50-inch MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Apple Watch. So these are the uh, perks of your Sante business aside from your $45 earning each uh, infinity points. Okay. So still there? Are you excited? Okay. So another ways to earn is the builder bonus. Build your residual income. So along the way, you will get promoted. So as fast as you can, please target the higher rank, the executive director. You just invite 16 people who wants to do the business also. Once you complete the 16, you are now executive director. Okay. Being an executive director, you will learn up to 10th level. Okay. So let's give you a sample simulation. Assuming these people buy 1 box of garlic juice every month. So how much you will earn? Example, this is your account. In level 1, you just invite 5 people. Okay. In 5 people, they just buy 1 box of barley juice every month. So you will earn 1.20 US dollars. Okay. What if these 5 people also invite 5 people? So in level 2, you will have 25 numbers of people who will buy 1 box of juice every month. So you will earn 45 US dollars in level 2. Okay, let's see this. What if these 25 people invite 5 by 5 by 5? Okay. And every month they will just buy 1 box of barley juice. So each box you will earn $0.60 and 1.20 US dollars. Again, this is also a group effort business. So let's have a sample computation. In fifth level, you will earn $2,367 or 747,000 naira. In level 6, 21,000 US dollars or 669,000 naira. What if you are executive director? It's now up to 10th level. This sample computation is just for 6th level. See, again, this is a monthly residual income. Aside from daily, we'll have monthly income. Okay, so this car allowance qualifier. So it's not just me who get the car incentive, but a lot of Sante distributors here in the Philippines. Okay, so this system is already proven for the past 13 years, giving house incentive, travel incentive, car incentive, and income, very good income. Okay? Again, you can do this even you have a stable job. Okay? You don't have to let your job go, but you can do this together. Okay? So this is how the Sante Barley can give you if you will do the business in your country. Okay. Next, how you're going to disperse your bonuses. So again, we have daily, the fast start, and infinity bonus. So the fast start is the uh, referral bonus. Once you invited a friend, the infinity bonus is the left and right points. You remember? So $45. Yeah, that's a daily income basis. Monthly is the builder bonus, the executive bonus, diamond royalty bonus, and we have also have car allowance every month. Annual is the performance bonus. Okay, so how? Via right to ATM, via transfer, or via check, commission check, or Greenium. Okay, this Greenium is like a electronic money, so you can use this as you if you purchase products. If you don't have cash, but if you have Greenium, you can use it as your payment for your products. Okay, what to do next? Of course, be a member first. All of I have presented earlier is useless if you are not a member. Okay, so be a business owner, choose your product, but the best product for you is the builder package. Okay, 173,000 naira only, but you will get 227,000 naira, 227,000 naira worth of products, and you will have a 7 business accounts. Okay, use the product again. Be a product of your own product. Be a living testimony. Okay, make a name list so all of your friends, chargemates, co-workmates, neighbors, invite them in this kind of business presentation, just like this Zoom meeting. Okay, then learn the business, attend the Sunday Engage online training, jumpstart your business through 90-day program. Just 90 days program, you study this business seriously. Okay. Next is launch your Sunday business online. Use the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, to any platform in online. Go online because some of almost of the people are now in online. Okay. Okay, again, I'm done. I just congratulate you for finishing the Sunday business presentation, and I hope uh, we can be our business partner in your country, in Nigeria, so we can work it together. Be the one of the rising leader in Nigeria, in Lagos. Okay. Also in Abuja, if you have friends there, you can be a leader also there once you have a business partner there in Abuja. Okay. So again, my name is Paul Brian Padri. This is the Sunday, and our mission is to help people live better lives. So congrats partners and see you at the top.